when we were forming government, we were alive to the fact that there are issues that can be done and executed by the president through the executive order. And these are now being manifested through executive order number 1. Now, the streamlining and clarity that we spoke about would be those that would help in refining the mechanisms of coordination of government. But they do not in any way negate the fact that the president constitutionally and in accordance with the Coordination Act has the powers to set up his government and assign functions, and this is under section 132 of the Constitution, assign functions to his cabinet secretaries or to other persons in government in a constitutional manner to assist him in the delivery of services and leading the country. So I believe that we have not breached any law, and when